Hi everyone. Before we get to replacing the windshield wipers on the Ford Focus, let me tell you a fun fact. Did you know that in the first half of the 20th century, and in many cars right up until the 1950s, windshield wipers weren't powered by electric motors? Instead, they used vacuum motors that were driven by the vacuum drawn directly from the engine's intake manifold. Alright, let's get to work. Replacing the front wiper blades on a Ford Focus MK2 is pretty simple. First, we pull the wipers back just like in the video. Twist the blade into position to get it out of the holder. Remove the old wiper blade. Take the new wiper blade and slide it onto the pin through the visible hole. Turn the blade back into its starting position and you're done. We do the exact same thing with the second blade. See how easy that is? That's it. Subscribe for more.